For this assignment, you will need your turn practice book. It looks like this. We're going to turn to page 104. On this page, we're going to write about the story, but first we're going to read the story. So go to the next page and pull out your storybook. Here's my book. Let's read. You and I. You and I can rake. You and I can dig. You and I can water. We can see in the pictures that the boy and his dad are planting something in their garden. Here, they're digging up the soil and planting it. Next, they're watering the plant. Now let's see what happens last. You and I can pull. You can see in the picture they're pulling out the plant and it looks like a carrot. So they planted carrots. So let's write about that. So now go back to page 104 and we're going to write a sentence about what the boy in the story did. Here's my sentence. The boy and his dad pull the carrot. You can also say water the plant or anything else they did in the story. Or you can write yours like mine.